So I went to meet a decent espresso machine user. So he lives quite far from me, not province though. So I took a train. There we go. Look at the window. Oh yes. And he just moved to a new house, so I bought him a toilet papers.
Hey man!
And then there we go.
You need some toilet paper?
No, this is housewarming present.
Oh, housewarming present. That's nice.
Yay! And there's his machine setup, like quite neat, right? Especially the buffet. And he bought the version 1.3, the one XL actually, but he got the Pro first. And we drank a lot of coffee, a lot. And yeah, we had some food. Ryan cooked like steak and jalapeno popper, which is like quite American thing. There we go. And there was some potatoes as well. And then that was delicious. It was T-bone steak. It was amazing. And then his dog, one of his dogs, came to me and
I haven't done the opening yet. Do you know what opening is?
Oh, you're gonna introduce me?
Yeah, that kind of thing.
Okay.
So,
Hi, I'm Ryan.
no, that's not it. Hello, ladies and gentlemen and boys and girls. This is Shane.
I'm Ryan.
And this is Coffee Hit TV. Bang! Yeah. And this is Ryan. He's a design espresso machine user. And he actually lives in Korea. And he's in like US Army. And say thank you for your service. And he actually a helicopter pilot. Crazy. Yeah. So how's your life as like pilot?
Has its ups and downs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What's the down?
Why
is there a downside?
No, it's good. I have no complaints.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
No, I got a nice machine.
Right. And coffee as well.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Well, I received it and I was waiting on you, but you went to Jeju.
Okay.
So I ended up opening it a little early.
Mm-hmm.
The packaging was great.
Mm-hmm.
The suitcase is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually really assuring having the suitcase.
Yeah, right.
Because move around. The padding in the suitcase was awesome. No worries about getting damaged on the way here.
Mm-hmm.
Opening it looked great. I sent you the video of it.
Yeah, right. 6 minutes video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I didn't like watch whole thing though.
Yeah. But no, it was packaged great. Turning it on was easy.
Oh yes.
It was nice having a smaller Pro.
Yeah.
Because I had a small counter.
Oh, right.
Put it on.
Even if you got the XL one though.
The XL, I don't think it would have fit on that counter. I think what it's on now.
And the refill kit.
The refill kit, I actually I've had the machine, I don't know, a little over a month now, and I just set it up yesterday.
Oh really?
Yeah, yesterday.
I didn't know that.
I just moved,
Right.
so I just got it on the buffet. I don't have the drip tray done yet, so I'm unsure if I want to put holes through the top of the buffet. I mean, it's not needed, but it would be nice to never have to move the drip tray.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. It'll make like everything easier.
Yeah.
Because whenever you flush, there will be like some water filled up the drip tray. So then you have to like throw it away every time.
Yeah.
But if you have like drain kit down there, then yeah.
I could do that, but I'm unsure if I want to put the scale under it or not.
Yeah, that's the issue. Yeah.
Sometimes I use some bigger cups that it won't fit with that scale under it. So I prefer smaller cups, but sometimes
Need the bigger one.
yeah. What was it? I guess I started looking up espresso machines and then decided I wanted to get one. I started looking like everybody does at, say, like Breville.
Yeah.
And then knowing myself and looking at those machines for probably close to 2 months, I realized myself I was going to grow out of it very fast.
Right.
Because I wanted to do more with the coffee. And I started looking at other machines, and then I found a La Spaziale, which was a plumbed-in version with rotary pump, dual boiler, Italian machine. And I tried to buy it off of eBay, and the seller had put the wood panels on the side, so it had walnut panels, which added weight to it. And the machine before weighed less than 70 pounds, and then after the walnut panels, it weighed more than 70 pounds.
Yeah.
So I was unable to get it shipped to me
Thank you.
from the United States because it has to go through the USPS in order for me to receive it, and my American address in Korea.
All right.
So that led me to Decent because I was like, well, I literally just paid, this amount for that machine, and I was like, I could put another $1,000 and get the Decent. So at that point, I started paying more attention and researching into the Decent more, and a bunch of YouTube videos and videos from Decent. John made a bunch of videos. You made videos. Several people out there, owners, making videos. So a bunch of videos out there. I researched them and I watched the machine for probably 4 months before I contacted Decent. So I got in contact with John over Facebook or something. I asked him if they were able to ship 110s to South Korea because a year or two I'll be returning back to the United States and I'll want a 110 model. So he was like, yeah, and then he put me in contact with you to get a demo.
Yeah.
So at that point, put in contact with you, went up to Seoul to your office, and you gave me an awesome experience with this machine. So I'm just waiting for the 1.3 to come out.
Yeah.
So when I received this machine, I already knew how to get good coffee from it.
Yeah.
There's a lot of aspects with the machine that I'm kind of always learning with it. So now I'm starting to dive deeper.
Oh yes.
With flow profiles and different temperatures and pressures and so on.
Nice. I think you explained everything.
Yeah.
So you're not only one who uses the machine, and your wife Abby uses the machine as well. Do you know how does she think about it?
I like a completely different style of coffee than my wife likes. So she likes lattes and more chocolatey style beans, and I just want fruit forward coffee, which is a completely different style. She can do it very easily when it is already set up, but when she starts paying attention to the graphs and screens, and, she's to the point where she's like the basic 25 to 30 second in a certain weight. She's good with that. So she can use it, but it's also her not necessarily wanting to take the time to learn. So she uses it just fine. If I'm not here, she will use it. But she's usually happier with the coffee when I make it.
Yeah, true.
No, it's great. It's been a great experience so far. The most exciting for me isn't necessarily, using the machine's great, but I think the combination of roasting myself and using that is just, that is, I don't know, it's amazing, really, because I feel like I have really high quality beans. I don't care how much coffee I go through. I went through like 200 grams the other day trying to figure out the flow profile, which I didn't really care about, but if I would have went to a shop and bought the coffee, it could be 20,000 won or 30,000 won, even more expensive, or $20 or $30. I think the two come together pretty awesome.
True.
And I feel like it's hard to find the coffee that I want in shops.
Yeah. If you start roasting, you find that the coffee that you like, then it's really hard to find the coffee from any other shops.
Yeah.
And it's really cheap to buy as ingredients.
Yeah.
And it's really expensive to buy just liquid form. Thank you for your review.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's go to buy some grinders.
Yeah, we're gonna go buy grinders.
Yes.
So I guess that's what we do.
I will review on the grinder. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Bye.